Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
The Reggae Girlz will be looking to close out their two-match friendly series against South Africa with another victory when the teams meet in the second match this evening at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Head coach Hubert Busby Jr. credits recovery as they prepare for tonight's game.
Training staff, medical staff have done a really good job, and of course the players in terms of looking after themselves. For the most part, after the recovery, had a day off to just kind of recharge and reset, and then just get ready for the game.
The match kicks off at 7:30 p.m. New Jamaica Hockey Federation President Michael Blair is confident that the sport will make further strides as he looks to make an impact at the helm. He says the executive board, which was also named, will be of good help in carrying out his mandate.
I have a very, very good team that I'm working with. We have already put a lot of plans in place, and we are all ready to execute on the go already. So things is already in the pipeline. There's a transition.
He also stated that there are goals he plans to meet during his tenure.
What we're launching is a 7C project that we started with. There are 7 projects we're going to basically concentrate on. Those 7 will propel the Federation in several different ways forward. We're going to make a lot of correction to some of the stuff that was there. We're going to add on what we have there, and we're going to implement some of the stuff that we have already planned to do.
Blair was elected president after the annual general meeting on Thursday. Letsile Tobogo of Botswana became the first athlete from his country to win the Men's World Athletics Athlete of the Year award. Tobogo won the Olympic 200-meter title, plus anchored Botswana to 4x400-meter silver, and nearly overtaking American anchor Rai Benjamin. He is the first athlete from Botswana to win Olympic gold in any sport. Sifan Hassan of the Netherlands claimed the women's title, also becoming the first woman from the Netherlands to win the World Athletics Athlete of the Year award. Hassan won marathon gold and 5,000 and 10,000 meter bronze at the Paris Olympic Games. She was the first person to run all 3 of those races, the longest distances on the Olympic program in 40 years. She became the second person to win a medal in all 3 at one Olympics, after Czech's Emil Zatopek, who won all 3 in 1952. Hassan also won the 2024 Women's Out of Stadium Award over fellow finalist Ruth Chepngetich of Kenya, who broke the women's marathon world record in Chicago in October. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News on behalf of the news, sports, and production teams. Good afternoon.